Then we have material noun. Material noun is पदार्थवाचक संज्ञा. A noun of material denotes the matter. Matter means पदार्थ. पदार्थ तीन अवस्थाओं में मिलता है, ठोस, द्रव और गैस. A noun which represents these three matters, that is material noun. Just as gold, silver, iron, wood, clay, oil, water, milk, honey, oxygen, nitrogen, air, they are material nouns.